Let me show you something.
Front bar is so shaking on the road. Absolutely concentrated on the road. Still, I was not in the garage, man. It was 170s. This is what kind of flying shit, isn't it? Oh, and it's going so far, I'm hardly nothing to do else. Very hard to catch. Really, this was out of my league. Literally out of my league. Come on, Duke 390, you can beat. It's just redlining all the way, all the way. It's close. Come on. The front end is so shaking. It's just so vibrating that it was very difficult to just manage. And the potholes, or not a potholes, but you can say the kind of wavy route just makes it more difficult. It's so far, it's just disappeared. Again close, very close. This is the new Verna, I guess, 1.6D. Maybe diesel, yeah, diesel. Very punchy engine, I guess. Like, I never ever imagined a Verna could have such a cool. I just gotta be. Alright, so this is the advantage of bike, so you can, kind of get. Oof, so finally, won the match. That was so much tough. Maybe he even has enjoyed it. That's boom, the toll. Okay guys, if you do like my video, hit the like button, subscribe and share. See ya in the next video. Bye bye.